Now in this we are going to see one subtopic which is called as multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. As we all know what is meant by fraction, fraction is a part of a whole like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 7, 1 by 3. Now in fractions again we have seen different types like proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, and so on. So today we are going to see how two fractions are multiplied, and whenever you get the answer says find the following products and reduce them to the lowest form. It means once you get the answer, it has to be reduced or it has to be divided. Both numerator and denominator have to be divided by same table so that you will get the final answer in lowest form. Let us see the first sum. 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. When you see this, again note down the question. Now, what do you mean by this? 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 3. That is 6 by 12. And when you divide by same table, that is 1 by 2. It means what we have done? Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Always note down that in multiplication, you are not supposed to find out the LCM of the denominators. In product, that is in multiplication of two or more fractions, you should apply the formula product of numerator divided by product of denominator. So this is method 1. This is called as method 1. Now let's see method 2 for the same question. Whichever method you want, you can note it down. Now you can reduce 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 ones are. So your final answer is 1 ones are 2 ones are, or you can write directly. So whichever method you want, method 1 or method 2, you may solve. Now the second question says that 6 by 7 into 5 by 18. Please note down the question again. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Your final answer is 5 by 21. When you see 1 by 2, that is half. 5 by 21, this is which type of fraction? Proper fraction. Let us switch to the next sum. 13 by 6 into 3 by 26. Note down the question again. Into 3 by 26. 13 ones are 13 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So your final answer is 2 twos are, that is 1 by 4. It is also called as 1/4. Let us see fourth sum. 6 2 by 3 into 9 by 5. Now when you see the first fraction, it is mixed fraction and the second one is improper fraction. Why it is called improper fraction? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 3 into 9 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So your answer turns up to 12 by 1, which is also called as 12. Now one final question which will be given for you so that you may solve it on your own, and please let me know the correct solution in the comment box. 2 by 3 into 15 by 26 into 39 by 45. Here when you see the question, it is more than two fractions. So no problem. Anyhow you will apply the formula product of numerators divided by product of denominators. But before that, try to reduce the numerator and denominator by same table, divided by same table. Like 3 5s are 15. 39 and 26 will be reduced by 13 table. Or if you want 15 and 45, 15 ones are 15 threes are. In this way you will get the final answer. Please let me know what is the final solution. Thank you.